Welcome to Woodhaven. Here we're gonna show how the guys feed the spray gun to run our spray line. Mostly we run our clear interior here, and Steve here, as he's feeding the machine, he has to pay attention to how close the boards are fitting together, how straight it's going down the machine, so it's hitting the sanders and the location of the spray guns correctly. He's also got to kind of keep count of how many he's got, because every so often they're going to have to stop and clean the guns. Especially when they're shorts, he's got to make sure they fit together tight so they can't fall down through. And he's also going to call those pieces out so that the guy over there, Dalton, stacking, can be aware and ready, because the shorts go on a different rack. They have to, just because the length and where the supports are to hold them up. And he needs to be able to grab them quick and stack them before the next piece comes through. Normally we keep these at about an 80% long pieces to 20% short. It's essentially, that's always what it is. Most of the shorts are going to be just single chops to equal an 8-footer when you add them together. There are often 3-piece ones. He calls those out, and when he does, he's got to call those out pretty loud and make sure that Dalton's very aware, because he's got to move pretty quick to keep up with it. Occasionally here in this video you'll see one. There's a 4-piece. That just happens because it's wood. It's a tree. It grows in the woods. Sometimes they are the wood that we get is harder to keep from chopping and versus others. But again, we still try to keep that 80% long piece mix. And then every so often he is going to have to stop the machine, because what they're going to do is they go up, they shut it off, they brush the sprayers real quick just to clean them up so that they're ready to be used, and keep that consistent spray of the right thickness and across the whole board evenly, as we're desiring to give you a quality product. They'll run through this process on every one of these twice. Thank you for watching. Check us out in the future with more videos like this.